Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood Strike like a pro on mobile. First, let's dive into optimizing your game settings. Adjusting your sensitivity, button layout, and graphics can significantly improve your reaction time and overall gameplay experience. Many top players use a 3-finger or 4-finger claw grip for better control. Experiment with different setups to find what feels most comfortable and effective for you, ensuring you can aim and shoot with precision. Next, let's focus on advanced movement and positioning. Mastering techniques like slide canceling allows you to quickly reposition and throw off enemy aim. Always be aware of your surroundings and use cover to your advantage, peeking corners safely. Understanding common enemy push points and flanking routes will help you anticipate their moves. Securing high ground provides a significant tactical edge, offering better visibility and easier shots on opponents below. Now, let's talk about weapon mastery and effective loadouts. Selecting the right attachments is crucial. Focus on those that improve accuracy, control, and aim down sight speed. Practice hitting headshots consistently, as they offer the fastest time to kill. A balanced loadout, perhaps an assault rifle for mid-range and a submachine gun for close quarters, provides versatility. Understand each weapon's damage profile and effective range to maximize its potential in every engagement. Finally, let's discuss teamwork and developing strong game sense. Clear communication with your squad is paramount. Use pings for enemy locations and loot. Sharing essential resources like armor plates and ammunition ensures everyone is prepared for battle. Always prioritize reviving down teammates safely, providing cover while they get backup. A professional player constantly adapts their strategy, understanding the flow of the game and anticipating zone movements to secure victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.